That dude Dan is a beast.
Show me the thing.
I want to get you more information. Listen.
Now what you were saying? Show me how you do the
trading.
Show me that. Wait a minute. Show me that 60/40 shit again.
Okay.
So look.
I'm gonna show you. All right. Can you give me a piece of paper?
What
or
do you
something,
do?
Or just want. All right.
Yeah. Here.
We're gonna do it this way. I'm gonna show you.
We're gonna do it live. Show me how
and you're gonna see it. Why it makes sense. Listen, I lost a lot of money by selling too early, selling all my shit. Now
I don't want to sell all my shit. All right, look, I got 0.8 Bitcoin in CRYPTRIX right here, right?
Right.
What can I do?
All right.
Here.
I'm gonna show you.
Look, what can I do?
Show you that dude Dan, his biggest trading coin. See, he buys another thing he does. Dan, he shops different exchanges for new ICOs. Like you could go on one exchange and sell for 15 cents, and he buys like coins for just five, not pennies, just five, like 7 zeros and a 5. Yeah. And he'll buy millions of them, but he buys them in chunks. In other words, he'll go to this site and it's the price he wants to pay, and the guy's selling 1,500, one guy's selling 2,000, and he just keeps chunks. A very smart guy, very fucking smart. So there's a lot to learn.
So he goes to different. Oh, so much to learn. Oh my God.
Yeah, because you and I can sell coins ourselves on a site you buy peer to peer.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
So it's really fucking cool, dude. I mean, this shit's no joke. All right, so
Dan teaches the 60/40 method. Okay, yes. say if I got so what kind of coins does he buy? The real cheap ones, or
yeah,
it doesn't matter.
He sticks on stuff for his holds are very cheap. Now he owns Ethereum and stuff like that. Don't get me wrong, but he's all about the new coin. He does his due diligence
on the new coins,
on a lot of new because he likes to hold millions on them. He has coins that I got 4 million of these. I mean, dude, goes to $1, you know what I'm saying?
Or he goes to $1, he's fucking rich.
He's $4 million. So he's rule average. He's buying as much, and I'm going to do the same thing. All right, so
that trading shit is crazy though, man.
Now watch. Okay, let's say Sci-Coin.
Yeah, I like Sci-Coin. So what is this? He holds. So what does he do? He finds.
All right, now watch. It's a 60/40. Yeah, you have to go on his one video. And he says, he's smart. He says, why are you guys only on one exchange? Sign up for fucking all of them.
Sign up for all the exchanges.
Right.
I thought about doing that.
It's a lot of work because what he's doing, Raj, is he's jumping from exchange to exchange. So he's got to transfer Bitcoin to that exchange in order to buy on that exchange. But then he, you know what I'm saying?
And some exchanges are cheaper, and some exchanges charge more for Bitcoin.
He showed,
I was looking at that the other day, too.
He said, look, you can go on and buy this cheapy coin at 0.00005 and go on another one and sell it for 0.00015. So you can make a profit immediately. Say, I don't do that because I'm looking for the hold. I'm looking for, you know what I mean? I'm looking for the big bust. Maybe if it hit 30 cents or something, then I'm going to unload maybe $1 million of them or something.
What is it called? Cryptocurrency exchanges?
Yeah, because there's so many of them, dude. I wrote them down in a book as I hear them.
I got Crack and I don't like Poloniex though, but Poloniex is the biggest one.
These are like exchanges not like that. They're just like
they're just tiny exchanges.
Yes. Where like you and me are just trying to unload our ICO. Maybe we bought a coin at 1. We're trying to sell it for 5.
Here go a lot of exchanges right here.
There you go.
So he's saying join all these exchanges and try to find the cheapest coin.
Just watch his videos. You'll see what he's talking about.
What's his name? Dan the Man?
No, his thing is called They Call Me Dan.
I think I'm subscribed to him.
Yeah, he's really good, dude. He's a fucking beast.
They Call Me Dan.
They Call Me Dan. He's good.
That's crazy. I didn't even know you was like crypto, man. This guy right here, right? Which one? Is it this guy?
That's him. That's the video.
The strong dude?
Yeah, I didn't even know what he looks like. I just know his voice.
Hi, this is my
yeah, I've seen him before.
I'm going to share my story with you. I had a little transformation. Was no big deal.
Definitely not him.
Actually,
that's not him, right?
No.
Yeah, I was wondering that because I would have subscribed to him. If
Selling the last of my Golos, finally.
That's him. Tell by the voice.
He's doing a different guy. It's the same guy.
Is it the same guy?
It's been a nice ride, Golos.
But he's a beast?
This guy. Yeah,
we made a good amount of money.
I've seen him before, man.
He makes nothing but money, bro.
And the last order, 3,205.
So your resident, you
50 is almost done.
The system works. It's 64.
Just
smart as shit.
Let me subscribe to him.
So look, if you bought...
Yeah, he got a lot of ICOs.
If you bought here at 500, say 100% of your money, just say.
About to blow Dan up.
Now, as you go up, you only sell out of this, you only sell 40%, but not all at once. So you're always keeping 60%.
All right, listen, hold on. I'm teaching my people right now. Let me say, so you go right here, right? So you buy. I'm gonna give you the formula. So buy 100% of the coin, right? So let's say you got 100%, right?
Yeah.
So then as the coin goes up, you sell 40%.
Yes, but in increments, meaning like in 10%. But as it rises.
When do you sell? Sell at 10%?
No. In other words, it doesn't have to. It's like, say it had a 30-point swing. Say you bought it at 500 and it went up to 530, 540, 550. You might sell 10%. If it rides up, you might sell another 10%.
So you're only playing with 40%. So what it's saying is this: keep 60% for the long term, but play with 40%.
Yes.
I think I did hear that before.
Yes,
keep 60%.
Because listen, you're always in the game. If you even sold your 40 and it kept going, right? You're still in the game because you got 60% that you've been holding at the low.
So when do you sell?
All right, let's just say.
When do you sell?
Let's just say, here for argument's sake, here this is 500.
What are we looking at?
Right here, watch this. Let's say you're 40%. You sold it, all of it. Like in other words, you sold.
I sold the whole 40.
All right, you sold 10%.
Okay, I sold 10%
at 530. Okay, you sold another 20%. Just say at 590.
What do you mean? 500. That's a Satoshi.
I'm just saying, Satoshis. I'm just giving you an example. Okay, you bought 100% at 500. See it right here?
Bought at 500, yeah.
Now let's say now you just spent 30%, but you made profit. Now
when it goes up to what, 530?
Let's say that,
whatever, right?
Whatever you want. I'm just giving you an example. Now
you pick a number to go to.
So let's say
you hit that number, you sell.
Let's say it went up to 650, right? And you wanted to sell your last 10% because you thought, whatever, maybe it's going to go down, whatever. Now you're done with your 40%, but let's just say it goes up to 750. You're still in the game. Why? You still held your 60%. You understand? And he always says, you'll hear him too, if it drops below what you bought it for, buy more because you're just going to ride it up again. But it's kind of, think about it. No matter if it fluctuates. Let's say it went to 750. Okay? You're in the game with 60%. Let's say it drops down to 650. You want to buy some more? Buy some more. Ride it up. Whatever you want to do. But, dude, you're always in the game. See, me, I used to make the mistake of...
Sell them all. That's what I used to do,
right. I'd sell 100%, and then it goes over, and guess what? I got to wait a day.
All right, so look.
60-40 it's called.
All right, look. I got 600 side coin. Right?
Mm-hmm.
So I got to do the math. Let me see. If I got 663 side coin, so what's 10% of that? 63 coins maybe, right?
Right.
Right, divided by, 63. So I'm going to come here. So side coin right now, it took a little dip right there. So when it goes back up, I want to sell 10%. Where's it at right now? 630.
Well, you know what? Why don't you go to here? Let me see. Go to Dan again and see if I can find a video that you need. It's a newer one.
All right,
you watch it.
I'm gonna set this up. So I want to sell 63.
Okay.
So I can make some money, but I'm probably not gonna make no money with 63 coins. I gotta buy
No, but
more.
you could give. Why don't you give a bigger example?
This is practice, right?
Right. Just give an example of like. Why don't you make it easy? Round it off. I have 1,000 coins, or 2,000, or 5,000.
I could do Digibyte. I got 1,000 on here on Digibyte.
Yeah, you don't have to do it with yours. You could just do and make up a scenario. Okay, I got 10,000 coins.
Yeah, I want to practice.
Yeah,
right,
let's make it easy.
So I got Digibyte, right? So when Digibyte goes to this is a fucked up coin though, Digibyte.
No, I would do.
I'm gonna get a different.
He trades Psycoin, is what he does.
I got Psycoin.
And he trades Burst. Well, I do. I trade Burst.
I like Burst. See, I don't want to sell my Digibyte. How much Bitcoin?
No, you don't have to. You know what you do to hold your Digibyte? You don't. Once it's over in here, I put a crazy order in. You know what I do with mine? The coins that I want to hold, I put it up for $10 sale. So that's out the way. You understand? Then I can trade the other ones.
So you don't even worry about this.
Don't even worry about it.
Just leave it alone.
Yo, if it hits 10, I'm paid. I'm good. You know, but it ain't gonna hit no 10.
Nah.
I'm playing with pennies, man. You know what I'm saying?
So I got to put some more Bitcoin in here.
Yeah, but I would just give your customers an example. Okay, let's say you have 10,000 this coin. Okay, now it's easy for you to break it up percentage-wise. 40% is 4,000, right? So you're keeping 6,000 in the game at what you bought. And listen, you're talking about lows right now. All these fucking coins are on the low. They're all been slapped down.
They all been knocked down.
When they jump,
last week they coming back now. Last week they all was down. Every single coin was down last week.
But you can like listen to Dan's video.
And they was talking shit saying that fucking Bitcoin is over, coin market, the cryptocurrency game is over.
Yeah, but who's talking that? And what are they trying to sell? You always gotta look at that.
Stupid ass fucking haters, man. I mean, like, dude, the whole fucking market was in a red.
These people don't even understand the computer aspect of it. They don't understand the language, what it does. Listen, you know the dark web? You know what Monero is?
No.
Why do you think I own Monero?
I didn't look at Monero too much.
I'm going to tell you why Monero.
I think
Monero is a privacy coin. It cannot be tracked. They use it on the dark web, on Silk Road.
What's the dark web?
That's where you can buy drugs and shit.
I was looking at this shit.
Yeah, that's just no joke. So Monero.
A lot of people like Monero.
Yeah, and there's two other coins like Monero that are doing good too because they're privacy coins. They cannot be tracked.
Whatever.
Be tracked.
Bitcoin can be tracked.
Yes, it's got blockchain.
It's hard to, but it can.
Yes.
So Monero doesn't have the blockchain?
You can't track Monero. It's the most secure private coin, and there's a couple other them out there too. But that's why Monero will be around forever.
A lot of people like Monero.
Yes. I bought Monero at $12.
You got a Monero wallet, or you leave it on the exchange?
Yeah, I got a wallet.
Do they got paper wallets too?
Well, that's another thing I gotta do is as I grow, I'm gonna take.
That's crazy. I didn't know doing this shit, man.
It's awesome, dude. Listen, bro. I follow politics online. I follow all kinds of shit.
You the fucking gold. I should have fucking knew you. Shit, you could have been into this shit, but you never know who's into it,
bro. I'm getting out of cars because of this.
For real?
Fucking right.
I'm about to stop cutting hair because of this shit,
dude.
Man.
Fuck it. You know.
That's the fuck I'm talking about.
No, but just keep your.
It takes time though,
Listen.
man. Yeah, I'm still keeping my grind, but once I didn't master this shit yet. I'm still learning.
See, and like I look at politics around the world too. Like the reason why I'm going to get rid of Ripple, it'll still be around. It might not survive the inflation that's coming. I think it will, but
it's about to be a recession coming, right?
In Spain, do you know their sixth largest bank went under? And Santander, you know Santander
Bank
is the #1 bank in Spain. It's a bank here too.
They done?
They took it over for €1. There's another bank. No, listen, what it is, they're consolidating power. Banks are going to go bye-bye. It's just like if you do your research back in 1929, there was 13 banks when the Depression started, right? Mm-hmm. One survived.
Hold on, I want to sell an order. So what's 10% of 100? 1,000? 100? Or 10?
Mm-hmm. It's 100.
So I want to put in an order to sell big Digibyte at.
Digibyte's a great coin.
I want to sell some of it when it gets big, though.
Did you see Digibyte took a bath? It was at 2,400 and took a shit. But that's a great coin to buy right now.
Right now, it's good. It took a big dookie.
Yes, and I loved it. But it took a couple days.
It's coming back, but last week that shit was at 0.5, and that shit jumped. I said,
Yep.
But I was still holding. I still got a lot of my Digibyte wallet. I made more money with Digibyte than anything. So where's it at now? 11.90. So I want to sell this at. I'm gonna see where I can sell it at. Can I sell it at 20?
And there's another thing. See the candles?
I want to sell it at 2. Yeah, I don't know how to read the candles.
Yeah, but another thing.
I don't understand the candles.
The wicks. Another thing they have when they call it a panic, it always rebounds 50%. Remember that.
I'm gonna sell this right here.
How high are you going?
I'm gonna go 9 more, so 20. So
I would go higher than that because Digibyte jumps, man.
Go higher than that?
That's why Sidecoin's good. Sidecoin can jump 40, 50 points and no problem at all.
Go
I don't sell 10-point swings. I go higher than that just because, you can. If it's being volatile, that's fine.
Okay, but this is kind of volatile. So what would you put Digibyte at right now?
Yeah, like if you want to do 10% at that and then go up another 30 points, do 10% at that. Eat it as it goes up.
Oh, and then keep doing more.
Right. 10 at 10. 10 at 50,
so I'll put in an order
90,
like that, and then do another one right here.
Yeah. You see, you eat it as you go up. Yo, you're
like
low
that.
averages. So look, if it only hit there, say it went up to 15, but it took your buy, and then it went down, you get to buy again, right?
I like that.
You understand, dude? It ain't rocket science,
crazy.
Man. When you listen to smart boys, man, they can teach you something.
That's crazy.
Yo, man, Bro, I got so much to learn about this, but I'm excited about it.
I'm excited about every day. I'm hyped. I'm glad you fucking came over here.
Dude, I said I got to surprise this dude. Like, I got to come up and see this dude.
That's crazy.
Because I was like, your channel's good, man. Keep up the good work, bro. Listen, you know what else you could do?
What?
If you start, you know what they get paid to they're going to contact you, Nano and them.
Who's Nano?
The Ledger S and Trevor.
Oh, okay.
You get paid 15% if they buy off your site.
That's crazy.
Dude,
man.
you know, that's $100 a piece. That's $15 for every time somebody buys one. Fucking right. Yo, you start pushing some. Just make sure it's good quality shit.
I only want to put in quality content.
Correct. And then you be making money, man. What the fuck, man? You working for them, but they paying you.
I don't give a fuck.
Yeah, but a lot of these guys pay you really good money too each month to push
Look,
their product.
I'm gonna go to 9. Bam. All right, so I got a whole bunch of sell orders.
Yeah, so you got 10. What'd you go? 10.
I probably went too far because I got rid of. Okay, I got to clear one. So you said keep 60%, right?
Always keep 60%.
All right, so I got to get rid of one.
Because you're on the low. You know what I mean?
I got to get rid of 2. So I'm gonna get rid of. Where am I at? I'm gonna get rid of this one.
So your goal is that, hey man, you know, let it just keep going up. So look, say it bypasses and it sucks up all your buys or all your sells,
I'm gonna
right?
just leave it like that. Fuck it. Yeah.
This is how you can easily teach your guys. Say it hits all your sells, and it goes above it. You're thinking, man, I can't make no more money. Yeah, you are. You already got your 60% still in there, motherfucker. So you're making money, right?
And then I put in buy orders. So all this shit is doing it automatically. So all right, look. So I want to put in some.
So
buy
you never
orders.
touch your 60%. Because if it jumped up 700, 800 points, 900 points. Now you can, if you say, man, I know Digibite takes a shit sometimes. Maybe I want to sell some of it. You can do what you want. It's your call. But you know what I'm saying?
I gotta buy some more Bitcoin. I gotta put some more Bitcoin in here.
See, I'm just trying to do my homework. Yo, I got something for you to give you to really help you out too. I bought off Cliff High.
Right.
His
book?
speculation report.
Where's
Yo,
it at?
he called
I
Ripple.
bought all the books. Man.
No. He
got
has
all the
this
books.
dude. You gotta watch him. He's a beast. He's
What's his
older guy.
name? Cliff High.
Cliff High. Listen to
The
me.
old dude.
Dude, he's a beast.
The fucking the brothers. Is that them? That's not him.
No. That's the crypto brothers.
Yeah, I was watching the
they
clip
funny
of-
as shit, man. They cool. They old though. They know what I mean. The one
I
dude.
forgot about them motherfuckers,
Yeah, they
man.
funny.
I was watching them.
Yeah,
for
they're
a
Ripple
minute.
boys. They
yeah,
love
they,
Ripple.
They love Ripple.
They can't wait till they're like, we're selling, we're out. You know what I mean? I hope it does for him. God bless him.
Is
He's
this
good.
him?
Jay Snip's good. No,
Jay
that's
Snip?
Jay Snip.
I'm looking for Cliff High.
Yeah, just punch in Cliff High. CLIFF and High. There it is.
I'm looking for him. Where he at?
Half past human. That's him.
Is that him? Okay,
Yep.
this is his website.
Oh, okay. See, that's what I just bought.
What? This?
Yeah. Yo, listen to me. His reports are awesome. You got to watch what he does. Listen to me.
I messed something up. What is it?
His report, he called Ripple the month before. Said buy Ripple when it was at 5 cents. It went to 43. Remember?
Yeah, I remember Ripple went up
He
like
called
a
it. This
motherfucker,
dude's a
man.
beast, dude. You gotta understand what he does. It's a little advanced, but you'll understand it when you boom. This dude has so many subscribers. It's disgusting.
Who?
But he's a beast. Cliff
Cliff High?
Yeah, dude. He builds shit. He's a fucking beast.
He's on YouTube.
Yeah, he's
Let me
all
see.
over the place. Half past human. He's a beast. Yo, you'll love this guy. You'll fucking love him. Cliff High is a fucking beast. To me, he's got so much knowledge. It's him.
Him?
Yeah, he's a beast. Dude, he's a beast. Go to his like new videos. There's a video you'll like of him, Jay Snip, and Big Swear. It's new. It's the first time they all three got together. It's an awesome video. Awesome video. This dude's got
this
so...
right here. This right here.
That's the one. Click on it. Yo, they're beasts. Cliff High is a fucking...
Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is a first
He's a
time
metal
for all of us, I think, together.
This is why you got to be around people that know what the.
Yeah, but
Fuck
Cliff
they
High,
talking about,
why
man?
they all ask him on? Because this dude's a beast, bro. He's a fucking beast. Best $100 I ever spent was on that. He tells you the coins.
So what do Cliff High know? What
He's a computer wizard.
What does he do?
He's a computer guy, bro. But not only that, he just knows so much shit. You just gotta listen to the guy talk.
Not Jay Snip. Who's Jay Snip? This guy.
That's Jay Snip. That's Big Swear. He's good. He's got Roto-Rooter. He's the one that found out about what the elites are doing through a comic book. They have their own comic book about the future. Yes, they do.
That's crazy.
Yeah, bro.
Like the fucking X-Men.
Yeah, he shows what their plan was.
You ever
And-
see the
and it's
Logan
true.
movie? And that shit came out, right? They be
Yeah.
hiding shit in plain sight.
But see, everybody wants him on. You look at any shows, everybody wants that's him. They all want him, dude. And look, see, he's promoting Cliff's shit. He's
I
like
gotta
crypto.
go-
They all love him, dude.
I gotta go deep on him then.
Yeah, yo.
You see the man?
Cliff's the man, bro. I don't think there's anybody smarter. Dude, when you hear this guy talk, he's like a walking encyclopedia. He's a beast,
I'm gonna go deep on him.
bro. You'll love this guy, bro. I'm telling you, you're gonna be like, man, you know what I mean? Like this dude's a beast. You know what's funny? Eventually, I guarantee he'll be on your show. You start pushing shit, he'll probably contact.
I gotta get my game up, man.
Nah, dude, you're
I'm little
good,
as-
bro. You're good.
I'm
telling
little
you,
as shit.
You're good. You're very motivational. You're high spirited. You know, just do your knowledge and
That's
you're
why I
gonna
keep
learn.
reading every day.
Yes.
You gotta show me that report. All right, so you just showed me something different. I didn't even think about.
Who would though, bro?
this
Who
shit,
would
man.
on that level? I didn't.
I didn't think
Listen,
about this shit.
you could tell your guys too. Best thing
This
in the
shit
world
right
you could
here.
do is keep an open mind, right?
You got to.
And
That's
that's
what I
why I
tell 'em all
learned,
the
bro.
time.
If I went in there thinking I knew everything like
Yeah,
everybody else,
you'll be fucking
you're
stuck.
fucked. And
You're fucked.
remember one other thing: don't
I'm
ever
fucking
buy
glad
on
you said
emotion,
that.
bro.
I'm glad this fucking said
You
that shit.
know, professional traders love it when it takes a shit.
Oh yeah,
Because they know, hey man, money.
Warren loves that shit
Fucking
because
right.
people get scared.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, they're all on emotion. We're not on emotion. We're about money, and that's it. Bro, I'm telling you.
All right,
it's
so
so good.
I'm gonna put some more Bitcoin in here, and I'm gonna just catch the sales as they go up.
Yes, and do
I'm building
look,
up my Bitcoin.
watch the charts too. All right, you know the candles. These are called wicks.
I'm gonna buy some more Bitcoin
What you
right
want to
now.
see too is when the candle that you see the wick, that means it has support. You want to see that. There's nothing better to see a coin drop 50% and instantly shoot up 40. You can buy on the low and be right in the game right away. That's why you should always have low buy orders in too.
I'm gonna just put 100 in.
But see, now you're doing the 60-40 split, bro.
Where's my phone at? I'm gonna start with 100.
Yeah, my goal was to get up to like start trading half of a Bitcoin. You know what I mean?
I'm gonna try this method with 100 first, so I can learn. And
Yeah,
then
bro, dude. That's
and then
listen. I started out with the fucking next to nothing in my account.
I'll put a half in. Well, when I first came to Bitcoin, I already made a couple G's with this shit.
Sure.
When I first came in,
And remember, tell your guys it's not about the money. It's about acquiring Bitcoin. Because Bitcoin is very volatile. It can go from $3,000 to 2,300 like in a matter of 5 minutes. You know what I'm saying? So you just gotta fucking. It's all about fucking acquiring more Bitcoin so you can buy other. You know. Oh, I also have the Shift card too.
I got that too.
I love it. I love that. It works too. I used it
that too.
the other day to take out $200 out of the ATM just to see if it worked, and it worked. You could take 1,000 cash out a day, not all at once though.
I gotta put a payment method. You know what I gotta do? Hold up. I'm gonna go to Coin Mama. I know I can do. I know what I can do. I know what I can do.
I like Coinbase.
I like
is good.
Coinbase too, but I gotta put
You know,
my
that's the
credit
only
card
one
on there.
that's insured.
Coinbase is insured?
Only one that's insured.
I never heard that.
Problem, if they get hacked, they'll pay you.
For real?
Yeah, but if you fuck up, they won't pay you shit.
Alright, so look, what I want to come in. I'm gonna come in with 150. Alright, I'm gonna try 150. See if this method works.
Yeah, dude. Just like you listen. You know what I mean? Just ride the train up, and don't do them close together. Do like your first hit. You know, read the chart. If you go up 30 points, it hits. You know, then go up another 40 points for the next 10%. Go up another 80 points for the next. Whatever you want to do, dude. Keep yourself in the game. You're not going to hit it all at once. If you hit one of your cells,
John, that's crazy, man.
Bro,
Damn, you been doing this shit since when?
I actually took like 3 months off though because I was doing my cars, and then I said, "Fuck this! I'm going to make more money."
I don't want to fucking do
crypto.
nothing else. This crypto game is crazy. I don't want to do.
It's the only advantage we have to get ahead in this world.
I don't want to do nothing else except for.
But see, I'm gonna too is separate all my coins. What ones belong to what. But I'm gonna give you his report. I'll let you read it.
Where's it
Cliff
at?
Highs.
You got an email? You gonna email it to me or comes to your house?
No. I can bring it up to you. But I'll let you. I have 2 reports. You can read them. You're gonna see. Remember though, dude. A lot of these new coins coming out, they're called scam coins. You know what?
That's exactly what I was saying. If the coin don't what?
If it don't have a purpose, don't buy it.
Don't buy it. If it
buy
doesn't
it.
do anything,
No.
right?
And don't be afraid to buy multiple coins
like
in a
fucking
space.
fucking Bytecoin and fucking Dogecoin.
People love Doge. And
People
it has
love
no purpose.
Doge. Doge doesn't do any fucking
But they
thing.
love it.
Bytecoin doesn't do nothing. I leave coin if it doesn't. Like that's a lot of coins that just say peer to peer.
There's a coin out there too called Komodo that has long legs in his report.
If it just
that's
has
$1 something.
if it just has peer to peer and it doesn't have like Sidecoin is fucking computer
That basic
shit.
attention, I gotta look at
That
do homework on that. I think some people like that.
My friend likes this coin.
Lisk is
Lisk is like Ethereum. People like Lisk.
no. You know what Ethereum is? You know what Lisk is? It's like picture Ethereum highway. Lisk is a highway next to it that works off of it, but it can be used for professionals so that they don't get slowed up on the Ethereum network. You know what I mean? So it's kind of like you could be a professional and be on Lisk, and it's just a lot faster because but it's connected to Ethereum. If they're not in competition, this works off the Ethereum platform. That's why it's good.
Okay, that's
My
what
brother
it is.
owns it. He
What
loves
about
it.
what about Stratus?
Stratus. I don't know much about it.
Stratus is like Ethereum. They do the same shit.
Okay.
almost. And people like Ethereum Classic.
Well, that's not bad. If it's doing the same thing, well, why not own both? You know, Monero's a great
But
coin
Stratus
to buy.
is beating Lisk.
It don't matter. Well, that's why. Probably because it's ahead of the game right now. But that's why. See, why not own both? Who's going to take the lead? That's the whole thing, right? One is going to follow the other. So why not own both? Why would you only want one? Because you know our luck. We'd buy Lisk, and that motherfucker would take off.
So you could buy both. They cheap
Fucking
enough
right.
to you could buy
Dude,
whatever.
I'm about buying as many coins in an area I like as possible. That's what I'm about.
So how do you stay focused with them all? Do you
Well,
leave them
listen,
all?
that's where I decided I'm going to try and separate all the
take
coins
this.
that belong in, let's say, the media circle, Steam It and all them. I'll list them all. So I know those coins all do media. These coins all do this. These coins all do this. And then I'm going to say, I like this sector. I'm going to buy them all. Fuck it. Why not? Steam's not going to be the only one that takes off.
I love Steam It.
Yeah, a lot of people do.
I love Steam
Because,
It.
dude, you know social media ain't going nowhere.
No, fuck no.
People,
social media.
people would go, yo, you took social media away, the people would kill themselves. They wouldn't have nothing to do. You know what I'm saying? People love social media. You know, them whores are on there taking pictures of titties and all. Give them something to do.
That's what they do on Steam It.
Yeah, exactly. You know what I'm saying?
They got that shit on Steam It
everybody
all day.
needs their 5 minutes of fame. You know, these whores and all. You know?
All right, so I'm waiting for this payment to go through.
But, yo, I guarantee in a year, you're like, John, yeah, man, I'm hooked up with fucking this one, this company. You'll be making money just off your shit, dude. That's a business right there, what you're doing. You know that.
Oh, this shit is crazy, man.
You know what I'm saying? And you get a lot of feedback, like you said on your video, from the people. You know what I mean? You get a lot of cool people to tell you.
I meet a lot of people. Yo, I learn more from people helping me out.
Sure.
Just for me doing the videos.
Yep.
And they comment below.
Because they like it,
and
dude.
they showing me different shit. I love when they fucking help me with this shit, man.
Yep.
But when people, that's where I learn more.
Yep.
Other motherfuckers, and I just spread what I know. Now I'm gonna start doing this shit. Once that shit go through, I'm gonna try this. I want to do it with a different coin. So what coin you think?
Good trading coin is Burst.
How do you fucking predict? You really can't predict though, right?
Now here, go on. I want you to go into your trading. You're gonna learn to read the charts.
All right, show me here.
You're gonna want to see volatility. I'm gonna tell you why.
So you want burst, right?
Do your side coin or whatever one you want.
Let's do burst because I keep hearing. What does burst do?
That I don't know, but people like it. I forget what it does.
A lot of people like burst.
Yeah, I just traded. I don't own it yet. Now,
see, I don't know. I said this guy with the Fibonacci. So I gotta learn Fibonacci because people
see, another thing is
reading these candlesticks.
Yes, and another thing is, see, I like Poloniex because I can trade it to 15 minute where the candle changes every 15 minutes, and I do 24 hours. Yeah, go to Poloniex if you could. I'll show you because it's easier for me because that's what I trade on. I'm going to show you exactly what I do and what you look for to trade. Why them coins?
I don't like Poloniex, so I can study on Poloniex.
Sure.
But I don't.
Yeah, you don't have to do this stuff. What do you like? Because I'm going to join the other exchange too. Because one day.
So I might join all the exchanges. So that's my
But
my
watch
homework.
Dan. He'll show you how to buy coins on the cheap. You shop around and buy them, and you could take them right away and buy them.
So what's your goal for what's your goal for July? How much you going to make in July?
My thing right now is by the end of this month, I'm going to be over trading 2 Bitcoin. And once I'm in there, I'm going to be able to make a lot more money, and that's the key. Listen, the most I made in one night, it was crazy volatile. I made like 400 and some bucks in one night.
Where the fuck is my Poloniex code at? I think I took it off of here because I hate Poloniex.
Oh, okay.
Oh no, here go. 444821. I like this two-way authentication.
Yes,
shit.
love it, love it. Yeah, that's what I
It's
like.
a pain in the ass sometimes. I got to get up and get
especially
my
with
phone.
all these fucking hackers out there.
They got so many fucking hackers.
Yo,
man.
did you see they hacked Jack's wallet the
I
other
just
day?
seen that.
Fuck them boys up,
I just
man.
seen that shit. That's crazy.
Jack's is big in Canada too.
They wasn't fucking. They did that shit quick too, cause Jax just came out. I just fucking seen that shit, man. All right, come on, Poloniex, hurry up. Maybe I got too much shit open. Okay, so what do these lines mean?
All right,
here?
go. What? Can you take it off the dark? Do day. Forget where that's at. Where the fuck? It's up top. It's here, isn't it? That? Yeah, I think it's that. The light. Switch to day mode. I think you have to hit the symbol. I believe. There you go.
All right, here.
Good. All right.
Let me close some of this shit.
Now remember, there's not a lot of volatility, but what I'm going to show you, what you need to look at, is what you're looking for, because I'm going to show you 2 different coins, like one that just gradually goes up, and it goes up, but it's not a trading coin.
All right.
Okay. Now watch.
So show me what these lines mean.
All right. Now watch here.
You want to do it here?
Let me show you something real quick. All right. Watch. All right, now I'm going to go to, instead of psi, because see, it's really not, now see down here how I like it? Look, we're going to go to the 15 minute, and we're going to go to the 24 hour. Much better. I just like that a lot better. All right, now, let's go to, because see, nothing's really moving, so I don't want to, where is... There's burst. Look, it's over 600 now, both of them. This is good. This is good. This is what I want to see. All right. Do you see what you're looking for? Look. This is what you're looking for. When there's days where shit's like this, and that's what you want to see. You don't want to see this little piddly shit going up in little increments. This is good, because these are like probably 10-point, 15-point swings. You can make money in between there. But ones that are real tight-knit and are going up a little bit, you want to stay away. This is what you're looking for. All right, it took a shit, went down there, right? 551. And then it jacked up to 590-something. It's a 90 fucking point swing. Almost 80-point swing. That's where you make your money. Now, if you did the 60-40 split, you might have sold 10% at 20, another 10% at 50, another 10% at 80, and then you held the other 10 and put a bid in at like 650.
And all this shit is automatic. You're setting up the automatic trade.
Right. And then your 60% still sitting down here. So even if it hit over 600, gives a fuck. You're still in the game. You're still making money. And who gives a fuck if it took a shit? Because you just sold 30% of yours. You're waiting for it to come back down. You buy another 30%, and then you break it up again. Okay, I don't think it's going to go as high this time. I'm going to do 20-point swings, 10% on 20-point swing, 10% on another 20, 10% on another 20. Right? You make money. It don't matter either way. That's why Dan, the dude's a man, dude. I'm like, yo, this dude's a beast. I knew exactly what he was talking. It just rung a bell. Like, dude, this makes total sense, and I wasn't doing it. I'm sitting there getting up to 100, selling everything. I'm like,
that's what I was doing.
Stupid motherfucker.
I was selling everything.
Dumb.
I didn't even sell half. I sold all that shit.
So the candles too. This here, when the wick, these are called the wicks, of course. It's just like a candle, upside down, whatever, the other way. It's the wick. Now this, when it comes down like this, you'll see crazy shit like this. As it bounced right away, that means it has support. That's good.
What's the arrow for? A bounce?
Yeah. See, it's not an arrow. That's really where the price stopped. In other words, what happened was the coin was here. See the line? At 584, it dropped down almost instantly to 568, but bounced right back up to here.
See? That's a bounce.
Bing. But listen, just imagine, and it can be much greater, 60-point, 70-point swing. Just imagine if you had a buy order in here, and it hit. Guess what?
Don't.
If you were there, and it went up there that quick, you could sell it that quick, right? Because it bounced. You just bought it because you had a buy order in at 568. It hits your mark. Someone buys your coins, and instantly it bounces, and guess what? Now it's up to 583. You could sell it immediately for 583, and you bought it for 560, 568.
Does it bounce a lot? That one bounces a lot.
Dude, I've had swings where it's been 50 points, where my shit hit, and I sold it right away. Bang. And there's times, dude, this is no lie. It was only 20-point swings, but it was locked. These were blinking so much. There were so many traders. I literally came down here. This is what I did. I had my buy order in the same and my sell order, 20-point swing. How long, and it kept hitting. I would buy, sell, buy, sell. It kept going up and down, up and down.
How long you been on Polonian X? Let me see if I got money on here.
I got 5 months.
And you never had no issues with them?
No issues.
I'm going to have to take down my Polonian X video.
You ever use Shift.io?
Shapeshift?
That's free.
That's from Jax, ain't it?
No. It's free. You can trade or transfer any coin free from coin to coin. Any coin. You could go from Monero to XRP, as long as you have those coins.
I use Changelly.
Okay, you could use that's another one. Yes, that's another one. It's a good one, too.
I only got like $1 in here. And maybe I should take off my fucking... Polonian be fucking up, though, man. Dang, that's crazy.
You know why? You know, Polonia's why sometimes it's slow. It's the biggest trading.
Because everybody's on there, right?
Yes, so a lot of big whales are taking money on and off, and they're slowing up the shit. And that's what it is. None of these guys are geared for anything yet because the blockchain. That's what I was saying. The blockchain's too slow, bro. It's slowing everything up.
So that's what. So the Bitcoin. When they switch Bitcoin over, you think it's gonna be better?
Yeah, because what's gonna happen? You know, when my brother bought, he switched Ether into his Poloniex the other day. And remember, they froze everybody's stuff. Well, what happened was on the blockchain, I told him to go in the blockchain and follow it. He was like, there was like 90 of them backed up.
What? 90 what? Orders?
90 orders.
Your brother know how to get to the blockchain? He knows how to read that shit?
Yeah. There's a thing you hit on. So, and my brother, you know, he went in. I said, Lou, you don't know which one you are at. You could find it, but, yo, you got to remember, those transactions can take 15 minutes to a half hour. It's going to take days.
It takes fucking forever,
but it has to, because, dude, it's only 1 megabyte of data. I think there's 5 per block. You know what I mean? You got to get the miner to get it for one, and then he's got to, you know, process it and all. It takes time. But if they upgrade that, yo, lights out. But I'm glad they're not, dude. It gives you and me a chance to get in on the cheap. You know what I mean? I don't want this shit to take off right now.
What, the Bitcoin?
None of them. I want to be in the game. You know, what the fuck do I... Listen, would I rather have where I spend $200-300 and get 150,000 coins, or spend $200-300 and I'm only getting 100 coins? It's common sense. Give me the 150,000 coins, right? Because I'm going to hold them all.
Well, I got to buy some Bitcoin real quick, man.
Listen, when I first started, I bought 70-some thousand of XRP because it was under a penny. It was dirt cheap. I transferred. If I'd have kept those and it went to the 40, I'd have made over 25,000. And I only spent like fucking to get those coins cost me about $400.
What?
Back then.
Hold on, I'm about to get. I'm gonna put. So how much should I start with? With this.
It's whatever you're comfortable with, dude. That's your game. Just remember, dude. Listen, you don't have to do the 60-40 split. Do a 50-50 split if you want, right? I do that sometimes too. You know what I'm saying? I do just leave money in the game, you know? So you don't care what it's doing. You're making money when it's going down. You're making money when it's going up. It's just a common sense. And he's like, that's how the pros do it. And he's right.
I'm going to start with 500. Fuck it. Let me sell something real quick.
You got to remember, none of these things are really moving too much. It's going to take a couple days for this market to pop again, and it will.
This is a different exchange. Hold on, if I sell this, I'm going to get some money out. I hope it goes to... See, I'm just playing with the market's money. Let's sell this. I'm going to get some Bitcoin. All right, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to come in there with 0.2 Bitcoin. So with this thing, I'm going to see if I can make up to... Bitcoin wallet is fucking slow, man.
But there again, watch Dan's video where he goes to different sites and buys at at 5, and he just sucks up as many coins as he can. And you could go to another site and sell in chunks. You know what I mean? 1,500 of these at 15. So you just made a 10-point swing and you didn't do shit. And it's just people looking for that price, looking to buy, sell. I mean, it's fucking crazy, dude. So there's many ways to make money in this game. Many fucking ways. A lot of guys that were day traders on the stock market, they stopped and they're doing this. It's just much better. They
a lot of guys.
Yeah, there's no money in the stock market no more. It's a joke.
I'm learning from one of those dudes named Chris Dunn.
Oh, I heard of him. I've listened to him.
He does that. He's from the stock market.
Okay.
This buy order didn't go
Yeah,
through.
Chris Dunn. Yeah, he was early in Bitcoin.
And I learned a lot from him, man. I learned a whole lot from him.
Yeah, he's a smart guy. Young guy, too.
So what I do, I go to the buy orders, right? So I want to buy where I'm at right now. I got 20. So I want to sell some of these coins. What is this? 28. I want 10 of them.
Yeah, see, you're on the proper BitConnect. That's just like the sites are.
Yeah,
Same thing.
BitConnect is my shit.
Now, if you go around to all these different sites and suck these coins up on the cheap, and then there's another site where they're going higher, you know what I mean? You go and try and sell yours for double profit and shit like that. And but he likes to hold a lot of coins and waits for the coin to take off.
Who?
And they call me Dan.
They call me Dan?
Yeah, he's in it for the long haul, bro. He's looking for penny shit to go to 30 cents, 40 cents, and that's you own 1 million of them.
So look, I'm not gonna fuck with. I don't like Poloni. I mean, Poloni Next is cool, man, but I'm scared of him.
No, whatever, dude. They're all look, whatever you're comfortable with. I'm gonna open up a CRYPTRIX too. Tell you the truth, like I said, dude, it's all new to me too, man. I've been trying to learn as much as I possibly can.
Is that my wallet? All right, so I'm gonna send over 0.2.
Yeah, it's cool how you could just fucking, you know what I mean?
I'm gonna send over 0.2 over here.
Just make sure you always verify what you're doing. Make sure your address is right.
Yeah,
that's the number one thing.
This game, man.
Yeah, you gotta be. I tell my brothers, oh man, I said, Lou, just be patient, dude. But he's a computer guy. Like he could set up anything, do anything. So,
I want to set up a mining thing, but they got cloud mining. You ain't even got to do it.
Right. You just need good memory for that, I think. Real
right.
Big memory space.
So when this comes over here, right, it's going to take a while. I'm going to practice on, I know Sidecoin is going to go up. I love what they're doing.
A lot of people love Sidecoin.
I love Sidecoin. Steam stays the same.
Yeah, but that's one of them coins I think it'll be like Monero where it just gradually keeps going up. And that's fine with me. Like if it's a long hold, you don't care.
I want to find a baby coin because I want to get a lot of them. Digibite, it takes a while to get a bat. Should I fuck with bat?
I don't know anything about that.
Basic
but I heard a lot of people talk about it. See, when I first started, these were all the coins I fucked with. Factum, Made Safe.
I heard of Factum.
Yeah, if I'd have bought them fucking... Yo, I owned these coins on the cheap. I didn't know.
I had Einsteinium and I sold them all.
Wow.
Oh, I had Einsteinium when that shit was cheap. I got rid of all of them. I was so pissed.
There's Burst.
People like Burst?
Yeah, they love Burst, man. People love Burst.
Quantium? What's that about?
I have no idea what that coin. That's why I said I got to do a lot of research.
You got to see what they do, right?
Yes. Yes. Just imagine if you own like a real cheap one and it jumps on Poloniex. You know that bitch is going to the moon. When those jump on them big exchanges like a trade, you know it's going up. You know what I mean? So if you own thousands of them on the cheap, you just sit back and be like gravy train. I mean, it's a joke. Yeah, John. I'm over at Lenny.
This is crazy.
Yeah, I'll be here all day. John, I'm not doing anything. I'm just hanging out here today. All right? All right, later. Okay. All right, I'll see you later.
That's your brother?
No. Yeah, my brother calls me and fucking dude be on the phone with me like for hours at night because he's so new to it. But he's doing a lot of research, which is good.
All right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start with see, CRYPTRIX gets a lot of volume. Bat, I'm gonna do bat. Bat has a lot of volume. When bat comes out, I'm gonna get bat. Cause a lot of people like bat, and I see some people promoting bat. Is bat on here?
Well, let's look at the chart on bat. See what it if it's a good trading coin. Because you gotta make sure you want to see dips and valleys and shit.
Bat is not on. Oh, okay. You want to see the
yeah,
bat ain't on Poloniex.
Yeah. See how it's not. You gotta read. Like, okay, what's that there? And you want to go up. What's the swing? What I'm saying is, look, is that a 20-point swing? You know what I mean? Like, you got to look at how long the candle is. That'll tell you what the swing is. Like, is it a 30-point gap, 20-point gap? You understand what I'm talking about? So if they're all small like this, you don't even want to fuck with it. Now, look, it's got some jumps. So what's that? What's that at there? 20 what?
This right here, this one?
Yeah, 92.77. Now go up to the top. Okay, so that's a 10-point swing. That's not much, but like I said, you could find other coins like Coin, Burst, and all that have much bigger jumps, 30-point. Like that candle will be that much bigger.
Burst has a big one?
Yeah, Burst and all, when they trade well. But there's not much volume today. That's, like not much people trading. So it might be late tonight. They might do it tomorrow. It might be Sunday. I just be patient, dude. When it hits, it's going to, it's due to take off within the next week.
All right, so look, so Burst.
See how long the candles are?
So Burst got longer candles.
Look how fucking.
You like those?
Right, this is what you want to see. Look at that jump. You see? That's what you want to see. You want to see big jumps. That's where the money's at. You got a 30-point jump. You could sell your first 10% in here. You just made profit. Now you can hold and may have an order up here for your next 10%, and then an order up here for your next 10, and just keep it going. But then you still have.
Then so you can order on a dips.
Yes. Now if you think that, which I don't usually do, but if you think that like here, see where it's at here. This is where it's trading right now at the top of the green. See, even though the wick, that was the high, but this is where it's trading. If you come down to the bottom, you can put a buy order in here. You want to put a buy order. See, what I would do, I read the chart to see what the low, and I might bust it in between and put a buy order right here. And so if it drops down, it grabs my coin, and then I'm looking to ride it up.
I gotta wait till I'm due. Okay, so right now, so with Burst, I'm gonna buy some Burst when it comes out.
Yeah, because now it's over 600. I actually have a buy order in for Burst at 557 or 567, something like that. So if it goes down like 40 points, I'll get a buy and then I'm going to ride up. But I still have my coins all the way down here that I bought, the 60%, and then I have a sell order and it's 655 up here. at 10% of my coins, which because I sold 30% of it
So
already.
you came in what? You came in with a half of Bitcoin?
No, I bet right now at 0.3 Bitcoin, almost a half. You know what I'm saying? So I'm betting with like maybe what, $700, something like that.
That's
$800.
That's what I got now.
Yeah. So that's just what I do. But you know, I don't recommend putting all your money. You know what I'm saying?
No, hell no, because you'd be fucked up.
Like do like 0.1 and ride it up. Leave 60% and then trade the 40%. But see, what I would do now, I'm going to trade mine and do 50%. I'm going to do 50-50. You know. As I get more money, then I'll do. You know what I'm saying? And
Yeah.
I could throw more money in. I just don't, because like, dude, I'm like you. I don't trust none of this shit.
I don't trust none of this shit.
Right, you got to protect yourself. So
I don't trust none of it. I
right.
mean, it's cool. You
you
make
got
money
dudes
with
trading
them.
on here with $250,000, $150,000, $500,000. It's fucking insane. But dude, you got to remember, these dudes are probably multi-millionaires. They don't give a
Yeah,
fuck.
they don't give a fuck.
You know, I do give a fuck. You know what I mean? That's the old adage: don't put all your eggs in one basket. You know, I'm learning.
So look, I'm gonna fuck with Burst. I got Sidecoin.
Another good coin to if you go on Ripple, XRP.
Yeah,
That motherfucker's a great trading.
I got a lot of Ripple.
That XRP trade.
Ripple goes up and down like a motherfucker.
Yeah, that's
yo.
a good coin. That's good. That's a good coin to trade.
So you like that?
Yes, that's the only coin I used to trade. Now I'll trade it. See,
Dash
you
goes
see
up
those?
and down like a motherfucker too.
bing,
man.
bing, 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 bing. You know what I'm saying? I try and stick with coins that are relatively cheap though. This isn't too bad.
Dash is not cheap.
Right. That's why I won't trade it. I'm not going to make as much money. Look at this swing, bro. Imagine if you bought here. Look at that. Read that up. That's well over 100 points. Gotta be.
Where? This?
The low. Look with the green. Now ride it all the way up to the top of here.
Where?
Yeah. So say you bought here.
I said 945.
And then you sold up here. Just say. Keep going to the top of the wick.
Right here? This
Yeah,
thing?
that's where-
Oh, we looking at that?
Yeah. Because that's the top. That's where, and then it bounced down. It went down, but that's okay. But it did sell at that point. It went up that high. So how many points is that? Over 100?
That's crazy.
That's fucking insane, dude. That's what you want to see. That's a 100-point swing. And imagine if you had 40% and you sold as you were going up 10, 10, 10, 10. Dude, you'd have killed it. You'd have killed it. And then you still had 60% down here. So look, even though it dropped down here, you're still in the low. You got 60%. Now what I would have done since it dropped, I'd have taken my 40% if I sold it. I'd have bought again in here and rode it the fuck up again. You understand? Because it dropped down from the high. 50, 60 points. Now I'm in the game again. I'm gonna fuck with my 40% and ride it up. I'm gonna fucking 10, 10, 10, 10, whatever the fuck. That's what I do.
And then you just collecting Bitcoin.
See, but one of my 10% I throw real high. Instead of it, you know, maybe my top
Why
30.
is Bitcoin so fucking slow, man?
It's because of the blockchain. Blockchain. That's why they have to upgrade. It's the megabytes.
So what they gonna do with all the old Bitcoin if they upgrade?
Oh well, if it forks,
Yeah.
well, that's going to turn into two different Bitcoins. I don't even know what it's going to be called. One's going to be Bitcoin. One might be Bitcoin something else.
It's gonna be Bitcoin Classic. It's gonna be like Ethereum.
Correct. Well, what's going to
Damn.
happen? You know, the coins are going to drop down to like $1,000, but you'll have two of them. But there again, one of them's going to take off. The other one's going to lag behind, right?
Like Ethereum and
Correct.
Ethereum Classic.
Right. So they split it. You don't really have two. If you had two, you know what I mean. If you had one, you got a half of this, one a half. It's kind of fucked up. Like
Ant shares. What about ant shares? Somebody just told me about ant shares.
never heard of it.
Ant shares. I seen them somewhere.
Yeah, there's a coin called Pepe coin too.
They
Funny
got all,
name.
they got all kind of fucking
They're supposed to last a long time. It's got, so I'm gonna, like I said, I got a lot of homework to do, like you do, and
Do you never stop learning, man?
that's it. That's what. But bro, this is the future, dude. When you go on that Silk Road and all, and realize people can buy any drug they want, anything they want, and no one can do nothing about it because you can't track it. It's fucking insane, dude. I mean, this whole world's changing, dude. Like, yo, banking and all will be done through these coins and shit. Come on, man.
Oh my god, these coins are changing
Yo,
the
what's-
world.
what's the-
We at the beginning of this
isn't
shit.
that what the one coin is? It's the fastest traded coin. It processes in like 3 seconds.
It's Ripple, ain't it?
No, it's not Ripple. Ripple is a centralized coin. That's
That's the only controversial thing about Ripple.
yeah, you know the SWIFT system with the banking. Like if you transfer money, you wire money,
Yeah.
it can take days.
Yeah.
They're the new SWIFT system, Ripple. They do it in seconds, like 8 seconds. You make a transfer and boom.
That's why I like Ripple.
Yes. But as banks go away, I think Ripple has legs because what they're trying to do. But you know, I think it's going to go over $1. I really do. I think Ripple will go over $1.
So you're for the fork.
Well,
I don't know nothing about it.
Here's the prediction.
I gotta learn more about it.
Here's the prediction, and see if I'm right. It's not my prediction, but they believe by 2018, Bitcoin will be 13,000.
By when?
2018. Listen.
Next year.
Listen.
That shit get
Ethereum will be over 1,000
next year.
Yes.
I
believe
Bitcoin, but with the fork though.
Why? I'm going to tell you a lot of in this report. The reason why a lot of coins will jump, inflation. As the dollar drops, it's like gold and silver. It's going to go up, right?
The dollar drops every day.
Yes, you know that. You know that.
The dollar been
my brother Large, he says, John, they're not going to get rid of the dollar. I said, Lou, the dollar's not going nowhere. But if it ain't worth shit, dude,
ain't nobody going to
use
it.
I said, dude, there's going to be a day where you're spending $10 a gallon for gas. A gallon of milk might cost you $8. He's like, I said, and that's another way of theft. People don't understand. It's another way of stealing your money. You know, it's just.
So what am I looking for? A change?
You're looking for big swings in the candles.
Like
and remember, the top of the wick.
Look at this shit right here, like this, some shit like that.
Yeah, that just means it dropped big time and then it just shot up big time, you know?
Let me see what markets they're playing on. They on Crypto Dio. The fuck is this?
Yeah, I heard of that one. That's another exchange.
So these are different exchanges.
They got so much shit, dude. And that's probably Dan, and he's got all those, and he just goes around and buys.
So just sign up for all these fucking.
Yeah, because you're not going to get all your coins that you want. Like he's a big. Boy. Like, he's buying like, dude, he's probably buying like $800 worth of coins, $900 worth of coins, which is million. You know what I mean?
Because he got the money for it.
Right. So he's buying 0.0005. You understand? He's getting it on the low. I've seen coins when I first started on Polonix at 3. 3. If you'd have bought them, hell, there's not one coin at 3 right now on Polonix. They're all fucking way up like this. You'd be killing it. You'd have been killing it.
What the fuck is this coin? This coin is expensive as shit.
Yeah, I think that's over 11 cents.
Tor coin.
$11 actually.
The fuck is Tor?
Never heard of it.
Something about a drop. It's an ICO. Look like a fucking onion.
Yeah, and you gotta, like I said, make sure it does something. Make sure it has a good team, and they have, because there's gonna be so many scammers. You know, because
anybody can make a coin.
Right. You and me can make.
I can make a fucking coin.
Correct.
But if it ain't backed by,
they got stupid shit like they got
Trump
coin.
Yeah, they got Trump coin.
They got fucking Putin coin.
They got bunny coin.
Yeah, come on,
and
man.
motherfuckers buying this shit.
Yeah, because you know what? It's a scheme. It's a Ponzi scheme. It's just everybody get in, and then they're gonna drop the hammer and take everybody's money.
That's crazy.
But that won't be for a while. You know what I mean? Because they're gonna want to drop it when it's high. Yeah,
my man got videos. He got either crypto Ponzi countdown.
Yeah,
and he goes around all the crypto Ponzi's, and he like, fuck it, we're gonna ride it to the wheels fall
like
off.
A month ago there was only like 752 coins. Now we're pushing 1,000. That quick.
Next
year, they're adding them because they know.
Next year gonna be more. It's a big ass fucking market.
And even like the Russians, that Alphabet website. That's the Silk Road for the Russian mob. I think. Buy drugs and shit. They run all that shit. I think it's called Alphabet. So, you know what I mean? Everybody's in this game, man. You know the government's in this game too, man. Don't get it wrong. Don't get it twisted.
Oh yeah, they got
the bangers are in this game, even though they bash it all.
They can't deny cryptocurrency, man.
No, you know who just joined too? Is Mark Cuban. He was a basher of Bitcoin. Now
he
on board.
Now
bitch.
he with it. Yep.
What did Cliff say? As soon as it hits $2,000, all the punk motherfuckers are gonna jump on board that were hating.
I had Einsteinium when that shit was .0008.
Yeah.
And it was under a penny. That shit jumped the fuck up. I was so mad.
Yep.
My man was like, yo, I signed him at 8 cents. I was like, what?
Yep. Dude, it's just so, like I said, bro, you're going to be so happy when you use this system.
So now I got this formula. I got this new system.
Yes. But look for, like I said, listen, the top of the wick means something. Like, here's your candle. Okay? That wick, where it stops is where it last someone bought. Okay? So, even though it drops down here, you know, that's where it's being traded at. That means a lot. Like, that wick means, you know, just because it's trading right here, right now, if that was the last candle, this is where it went up to. So that wick means something. You understand?
And then it came up to here.
And right, eventually came down here, came up a little bit. So
what's this little skinny thing? What's that?
That's the wick.
Oh, that's
the wick. That's just like a candle would have a wick.
Somebody in here?
Oh, my bad, buddy.
Oh, I didn't even see him. So that's the wick right there.
Yeah, that's the wick. The rest of the part's just like a candle.
What does the wick mean?
That just means where, in other words, it went from here and shot all the way up, and then bounced back down. So it hit that number. So if you had, and were selling at that level, your coins would have been sold. Right, but it bounced, but then it dropped down right away. You know what I'm saying?
That's the bounce.
Yes, that's the bounce.
I never
So
knew that.
you always go to top of the wick, bro.
I never studied the charts.
What these top here means is where once it hit that, this is where it starts trading again. You understand? Even though it went up here,
Yeah.
that's the wick means everything, bro.
It was selling up there.
And even when you see this is what you want to see. That means it went down.
So
Somebody got lucky, and then it bounced right up. That's support.
So
That means you made a quick bang, man. Like if you had your coins here and they bought, you could have sold them instantly for like a 20-point fucking gain. You understand? That's the game, bro. It's like just remember, it's a candle. That's the wick. That's the wax.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. You're the man, John.
No, but I'll bring you that stuff too, dude. Because we'll talk. I got a lot more. You know, my mind, dude. One thing is I don't sleep.
I don't either.
I hate it though, because I wake up more tired than I fucking went to bed. You know what I mean?
I'm putting this on YouTube. You're the fucking man, Doc.
Bro, I'll help you out. You know that. Just keep doing what you're doing. Listen, plug away because you're gonna build your channel, and you're gonna get people that are like ledger on them. Jump on board. Get that money, man.
I am.
Get that money.
I'm gonna holler at you, boy. Stay focused, man. Good luck. Your hair, can I